I chose to do a study abroad and exchange to get experience of another culture because I've never been overseas before, so it was a great way to see another country, see another culture, and being in the health sector, it's really important to be able to understand another culture in order to be able to work with them. I'd say making friends on exchange compared to being in your own country would be 10 times easier because everybody there is either by themselves or in a foreign environment, so everybody's open to meeting new people. So at the end of my university time, I booked a bus about trip. So it's 19 days travelling Eastern and Southern Europe, which was absolutely amazing. But I also did lots of travelling during university. So I went to France and watched All Blacks versus France, and then went to Cologne for 660. We're actually playing in Cologne in Germany, so that was pretty awesome. Support-wise from both OP and Fonties was actually really good. They supported you enough that you knew that they were there, but they weren't in your face. They set up like a buddy system overseas where you get a Dutch person who you can always ask questions to and make sure everything that you're doing is kosher to the culture and stuff. In the sports performance paper, you do a 6-month internship with a place of your choice, and they place you in placement. And then the Jets one, I just talked to the owner and I just started working there. And to be honest, it was a really good placement, and if you go outside of your comfort zone a little bit, you make amazing contacts, and they're offering me work in Australia and even the UK if I want. I think an exchange definitely benefits your future career prospects. For me, being in an internship at both Jets and at a hockey club over there, you just make so many connections and contacts, and I think that's the best thing about exchanges.